Hey you guys, Naturally Marked here. Welcome back to my channel. Before we get into this video, I see you, see me, so I want to see you. Press subscribe and become part of the fam. Bam. Okay guys, so we're back. Today is September 26, 2025. I wanted to show you guys how I take down the twist portion of my hair so that I'm not trying to take down all of my hair in one setting and wash my hair all in one setting. So that's what I'm gonna show you guys. What I'm doing today is only taking down the twist portion of my hair. The prep that I did for this takedown, I will leave the link down in the description box so you guys can see how I moisturize my hair. That's pretty much the same way I prep my hair, except I slept with a plastic bag on and my satin scarf. And I use the same products that I use to style my hair. So I will also leave that video down below so you can see what products I use to also style my hair. I just reuse the exact same products that I styled my hair with to moisturize my hair with, and to make sure that my hair is soft enough and I'm not snapping any strands. I just placed a plastic bag on my head so that my hair will stay moist, but it's not wet and it's not damp. I'm just keeping the product that I put on my hair more moisturized instead of it drying out, to hopefully make this takedown a lot easier. One thing that I do want to say is I did put my DIY oil down the length of my hair also to make sure that my hair is well hydrated. So I'm gonna get right into this video. But just to show you guys, it is 12:30 noon. And most of the time when I take down my hair, I'm either watching Netflix of some sort. Right now I'm watching Bon Appetit, Your Majesty. I like to wear comfortable clothes when I'm taking down my hair. Please be as comfortable as possible when you're taking down your hair, because that also will help with your mood with taking down the hair. And you gotta have like good vibes of a show playing to take down your hair. So what I'm doing is twisting the entire twist in the opposite direction, and that helps with taking the twist down so much faster. And because it's moisturized and it's not dry, I'm not hearing any popping, crackling sounds on my hair. It's coming down quite nicely, and I'm trying to think if I should separate the hair right now or just leave it in the pattern, but I feel like I'm gonna separate them all so that I'm not trying to deal with taking out the pattern on dry hair. After I do about 2 twists, I will put it in one bigger twist, and I'm still trying to figure out if I'm going to leave it in the twist to dry or not. But just so that it doesn't shrink up on itself right now, I'm going to put it in one longer twist, and I'm going to continue down the length of my hair. A really quick tip: when you're putting in your natural kinky twist, make sure you do not borrow hair from the other section, because you will not easily be able to take down the twist this fast. You're going to be dealing with a lot of locking, and also you're going to be dealing with a lot of breakage because you've borrowed hair from the opposite section, which makes it a lot harder to take down safely. So as you can see how fast each of these twists is coming out. This is the way that I like to take down my twist, because I don't like to sit off in the tub for hours and be soaking wet trying to detangle my twist. This makes it so much easier if you prep your hair the night before, mainly using product, whatever product you use, once again, to style your hair. Just use that same product to rehydrate your hair. Sleep with a plastic bag overnight and your twist should come down really, really fast and easy. Okay guys, so this is what my hair looked like. I've taken down all the twist that was in my hair. So like I said, I had kinky twist. I just took down the twist portion of my hair. So if you can see at the root, I still have the braid portion in my hair. I don't want to fully take down all of my hair because I started at 12:30. It is now 5 o'clock. That says 4:59. It's 5 o'clock and I didn't even really stop and do a whole bunch of little stuff in between me taking down only the twist portion. So this is why I break up my takedown process, especially when I have kinky twist in. My scalp is itchy right now and I need to wash it. Today is September 26th, if I haven't said so. October 3rd will make 2 full months, 8 weeks of my kinky twist being up. But since I'm already almost approaching that 8-week mark, I'm gonna just take these twists down, the twist out of the kinky twist. I took those down, and then maybe in about like 4, maybe 5 days, I will go back through and take down the braided portion of my hair and probably put my hair back into like some type of big twist in this manner. And then maybe 2 days after that, I will come off in here and do a pre-poo, detangle my hair, and get in the shower. In this next wash day routine, and I'm gonna be trying some new products out. It's been very difficult to get my hands on Natural Lady 5's products because she's been sold out. That's gonna be a whole nother video on the products that I'm trying because I can't get my hands on Natural Lady 5's products. But you guys, please just stay tuned for the takedown of the braids, and I will show you guys how long it takes for me to take down the braid. Twist her out, and that's 1 step down, and I got like 2 or 3 more steps to go. I still got to take the braid out. I still have to pre-poo my hair. So yeah, that's 2 steps before I get in the shower and fully wash, like do a wash day routine. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up and leave comments down below, and don't forget to subscribe. I'm gonna come back off in here and show you guys what my hair looks like fluffed out to give you a before and after. So stay tuned for that, but I'll show you guys what my hair looked fluffed out. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.